Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today we're going to dive into the beautiful song Amen by Liora, which represented Israel in the Eurovision contest of 1995. We'll go over the lyrics of the song word by word to help you learn the meaning and the pronunciation of each word. Please note that due to copyright restrictions, I won't be playing the song in the video, but you can find the link to the song in the description below. So, without further ado, let's begin. Bitfilah, with a prayer. Bitfilah. Amen. Amen. She'olah, that rises, female. She'olah. Amen. Amen. Kol, all. Kol. Haneshama, the soul. Ha-ne-sha-ma. Tehalel, will praise, female. Te-ha-lel. Yah. Yah is one of the names of God in the Bible. Yah. Amen. Amen. Veten, and give, male. Veten. Birkat, a blessing of. Birkat. Shalom, peace. Shalom. Ushmor, and protect, male. Ushmor. Al, on. Al. Beitenu, our home. Beitenu. Karev, bring closer, male. Karev. Otanu, us. Otanu. Lachalom, to the dream. Lachalom. Shebetochenu, that is within us. Shebetochenu. Ten, give, male. Ten. Tamid, always. Tamid. Bracha, a blessing. Bracha. Bemaase yadeinu, in the work of our hands. Bemaase, in the works of. Yadeinu, our hands. Ptach, open, male. Ptach. Libenu, our heart. Libenu. Shetamid, so that always. Shetamid. Nashir, we will sing. Nashir. Lecha, to you, male. Lecha. Elohai, my God or my Lord. Elohai. El means a God. Elohai means my God. Amen. Amen. Tikvotai, my hopes. Tikvotai. Tikva means hope. Tikvot is the plural form, hopes. And tikvotai means my hopes. Amen. Amen. Atof, wrap, male. Atof. Otanu, us. Otanu. Be'ahava, with love. באהבה. Amen. Amen. תן, give, male. תן, לנו, to us. לנו, חיים, life. חיים. ושמור and protect, male. ושמור. עלינו, on us. עלינו. תן, let, male. תן, שתתגשם, that will be fulfilled, female. שתתגשם. אהבתנו, our love. אהבתנו. תן, give, male. תן, לנו, to us. לנו. ברכה, a blessing. ברכה. האר, shine upon, male. האר. פנינו, our faces. פנינו. פתח, open, male. פתח. ליבנו, our heart. ליבנו. לב means heart. ליבנו, our heart. שתמיד, so that always. שתמיד. נשיר, we will sing. נשיר. לך, to you, male. לך. לעולם, for the world. לעולם. אמן, amen. לכולם, for everyone. לכולם. אמן, amen. חזק, strengthen, male. חזק. את רוח, the spirit of. את רוח. האדם, the man. האדם. אמן, amen. בתפילה, with a prayer. בתפילה. אמן, amen. לשלום, for the peace. לשלום. אמן, amen. כל, all. כל. הנשמה, the soul. הנשמה. תהלל, will praise. תהלל. God. Amen. Amen. On the next few slides, you will find the words to the song in Hebrew, English, and phonetic sound so that you can sing along. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.